Hi Lotus family, welcome to our channel where we talk about everything to do with educational support. So in this week's episode, we are going to be talking about 8 side hustles you can consider to be making some money while you're getting your degree. Truth is, I'm having this episode because I was quite a broke student. I was a broke student, guys, and I realized late that you can hustle and get your degree. I think I realized that in third year. And I'm trying to stop a lot of people from doing that. You can do both. So I'm going to give you some tips on what you can do to be making that money so you're not broke while you're trying to bag your degree. So tip number 1 is not really a secret. It's actually the most common way students make money. It's just to become a tutor. So there are many organizations out there like Lotus Tutors, that run organizations to tutor primary, high school and university students. So you can usually sign up for one of those organizations so that you can make money on the side. If you're in first year, you can tutor primary school students and high school students. Then from second year going onwards, you can tutor university students. And there's so many opportunities, guys, to tutor. On average, I'm thinking you can make between 100 rand and like 300 per hour with literally just tutoring. Imagine what you can do with that money in university. It's quite a lot, I think. So yeah, that's the first tip. Tip number 2, you can become a freelance staff member. So not a lot of students do this one because they're lazy to apply, but trust me, if you apply and you get the job, you will get paid. Most universities do pay quite well. So what is a freelance staff member? So I'm not sure if you guys have noticed, but most universities hire their own students to perform like these small tasks. Like for instance, if they need tutors for a certain subject, if they need invigilators for exams, if they need to count their stock, for instance, or if they just need someone to just keep watch of something, they literally hire students. So the only thing that you have to do is keep watch of this. So keep watch of these small piece jobs that universities offer and just apply. The only thing you have to do is literally apply. Be a student to that university and apply, and you will get the job if you're shortlisted. So that's the second way that you can consider making money on the side. The third thing that you can do is kind of a once-off thing, but it's still worth a try, is to sell your previous year's textbooks. So if you're in second year, you sell your first year textbooks. If you're in third year, you sell all of your textbooks. This is a nice and easy way to make money. That is if you don't think you're going to be using those books, obviously, but that's also another way you can consider to make extra cash on the side. The fourth one, I discovered it after university, and I'm thinking, why did I not think of this when I was still hustling? So it's literally all about reviewing books, apps and websites. So there are websites that you can go to. I'll drop the links on the description, so you can literally go there, and the only thing you have to do is review books. If you review a book, that means you have to read it. You read a book, you review it, and you get money for that. Or you download an app, you review that app, and you get money for that. So that's just like making money for just reviewing an app and a website. Guys, that's quick and easy money. So that's something that you can also consider doing. The fifth one is for those that have become photographers. So nowadays, almost everyone is a photographer, and we all have nice phones and nice cameras. So instead of just taking photos and putting them on Instagram, you can literally take photos and sell them to certain platforms. So like for instance, you can sell your photos to Shutterstock, you can sell your photos to Canva. That's just to name a few. I'm going to drop the names in our description. You can literally take good photos and videos and literally sell. That's a quick and easy way to make money. The sixth tip is for those that are smart enough to have a driver's license in university. You can become an Uber driver or Taxify driver in your spare time. I think I like the business model with this because you can literally drive around anytime you're free. So if you don't have an assignment or you've done your assignment, you can do a trip and earn some money. So that's something you can also consider doing, students. It's not only for other hustlers, can consider that too for making more money. The 7th tip is doing data entry work. So there are some companies that hire students or people in general to do data entry work for them, right? I'll drop the links in the description for the list of companies or websites that you can visit to sign up for these things. You do the data entry work at a time of your convenience and you get money. So that's also another way to make money, handed to you on a silver plate. The last one is you can consider writing cover letters and resumes for people. Guys, truth is human beings are lazy out there. So if you want to be making money, you have to do things that people do not want to do, but they have to do. So you can literally set up your LinkedIn profile and put it out there that you do CVs and cover letters for people. So that's just another option that's out there, right? So the whole trick with making money in university is it's not anything difficult. It's just you doing things for people that are very simple to do, but people procrastinate doing them, or they're just simply lazy to do them. And this could literally even just be with your classmates. There are so many things, right, that students have to do, but they don't want to do, so you can be that person that just gives them the shortcut, and you can easily make quick bucks with that. All right guys, I have given you the most basic ways of making bucks in university. I'm really welcoming comments. So if you have comments and if you have other ways students can make money and you just want to give ideas out there, put the comments. I am ready to read and share, and everyone that's going to watch this will be grateful. But that's about it for today. Thank you so much for tuning into our episode. I'll catch you guys next week. Bye.